Hi everyone, so welcome to our next video. So here I want to talk about product vision, product strategy, and product roadmap. So a lot of times these things get intertwined, and if you want to be a kick-ass product manager, an awesome product person, or want to start your company, you got to be clear on these things so you can actually not just clear by yourself, but you can actually share this with your team so they already know, they also know that what activities they are performing on the micro level that will take them to where they want to be or the company wants to be at the macro level, right? So let's look at the first one. So product vision. So product vision describes the future you're trying to create 3 to 5 years from now, or maybe 7 to 8 years from now. So you as a company, what is your vision? What problem are you trying to solve, and where you see yourself? That is your company vision, that is your product vision. So for LinkedIn, for example, their vision is creating economic opportunity for every professional. And they define every professional refers to a single one of 3.3 billion people in the global universe. So for us, for Rogueline, our main product vision, company vision, whatever you want to call it, is we are the resource center for anyone who wants to start a fashion business anywhere in the world. So that is where we want to be. That is our goal 5 years from now or 3 years from now. So every single activity we're going to do has to take us towards that goal and not deviate us from where we want to go. So let's look at product strategy. So product strategy is a sequence of products you plan to deliver on the path to realizing that vision. So product strategies could be one main product. This is where you want to be in 5 years. And what could be those different products underneath it that you can target. So product strategy would be different based on customer personas, based on different verticals, based on different location. So let's take Salesforce for example. Salesforce by itself is one product, but their product strategy is very different when they're targeting startups versus when they're targeting SaaS companies versus when they're targeting finance vertical or medical vertical, whatever that could be. So their product strategy is very, very different. Same thing goes for us. So when Rogueline, when I was visioning that this is where we want to be, what can we do? What our product strategy is going to look like when we're targeting fashion designers who have been in business between 3 to 5 years, fashion boutiques who have been in business for like 5 to 7 years but only have one location, and maybe also another fashion boutiques who have been in business for 5 to 10 years but they have multiple locations in multiple cities. So requirement for each one of this vertical is going to be very, very different. So my product strategy is going to be different for fashion designers, for fashion boutiques who have one location, or fashion boutiques who have multiple locations in multiple cities. And that is where your product strategy has to come through. So you don't need one product strategy overall. You can have these tiny micro product strategies targeting each vertical. And this also works really great because then you can tell if you have a sales team that focuses on San Francisco versus a sales team that focuses on New York. Your strategy will be different, your product might be different based on the sales team or the marketing team you're working with who's targeting this San Francisco area versus somebody who's targeting New York. So think about product strategy as which vertical you want to go for and how that is going to be different. Now product roadmap is tactical. So tactical means like if this is my strategy for fashion designers, for example, what actual action items do I need to do? So what kind of freelancers do I need to get for fashion designers? What kind of tools do I need to create for fashion designers? You know, what kind of marketing templates that we have that you can download for this particular vertical? So that thing is, you know, write down is like A, B, C, D, E. These are like the 5, 10, 15 things that I need to do step by step each day so I can get to my product that is going to fit my product marketing strategy for fashion designers. Then next comes, what are my A, B, C, D, E, F, G tactical steps that I'm going to do, which could be product features, could be, you know, your different tools you're going to do for boutiques, for example. So product roadmap is actual tactical stuff that you and your team can focus on day in and day out to create a product that fits the product marketing strategy for these 3 verticals or multiples if you have, and then that feeds into your total overall product vision where you want to be in 5 years from today. So think about these things, you know, so product vision, product strategy, product roadmap. This is where you want to be at macro level. these are the tactical micro level things you need to do to actually get to there, because you don't want to be doing the wrong things and realize 5 years from today, oh crap, this is not where we wanted to be, we totally did the wrong things. So all these micro activities, daily things you do, have to move you into the direction where you want to be on the macro level, where your company's vision is. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia, and if you have any questions regarding product vision, product strategy, and product roadmap, do leave them in the form of a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer. So thank you very much for your time, and if you do like our channel, please give it a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button. I'll put one of these places, and looking forward to talking to you in the next video. So thank you very much and have an awesome day.